I told you that I manifested $15,000 in just a few seconds? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it happened, and today I'm going to share exactly how I did it so you can manifest your desires too. It all started in April 2022. One morning, around 9 a.m., I decided to manifest $10,000. I had just taken a shower and finished my breakfast, feeling fresh and relaxed. That's when I thought, let's do it. I sat down, closed my eyes, and imagined receiving a bank notification that said $10,000 credited to your account. I kept it simple and short, just three quick imaginations. I didn't overthink it or try to make it perfect. Afterward, I snapped my fingers, signaling that it was done, felt immense gratitude, and moved on with my day. I didn't dwell on it. I started watching Netflix and trusted that it was already mine. Then, around noon, I saw my father pull out his checkbook. I had a thought, maybe he's writing a check for me. Just 2 days earlier, I'd asked him for money to invest, but he had declined at the time. In that moment, I thought, wouldn't it be amazing if he wrote $15,000 instead of 10,000? And within seconds, he walked up to me with the check. When I looked at it, the amount written wasn't $10,000. It was $15,000.
Wow!
I was stunned. But then I remembered a powerful quote by Neville Goddard. To God, all things are possible, and I identify God as my wonderful human imagination. This experience proved to me that the law of assumption works wonders when you trust it completely. So tell me, how much money have you ever manifested? Or what incredible things have you achieved using this powerful law? Like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more success stories and insights about the law of assumption. Until next time, live a healthy, happy, and peaceful life. Keep manifesting, and remember, you are limitless. Love you all.